impact on the gas prices skyrocketing is hurting everyone everywhere. So today I decided to see if it's worth it to do DoorDash any longer. I'm gonna be taking every single DoorDash order until I run completely out of gas. I need you to get a gas tank for me.
You ran out of gas?
And when I say every single DoorDash order, I mean every single one that came to my phone, I accepted. This is how it went.
We're gonna see how much we can make, how long it takes before we run completely out of gas. Then we will put gas back in the car and subtract it from the total amount. The only rules are I cannot use my car for anything else but the gig work. All right, fam, so we arrived to the first dash of the day. Hello?
Can I help you?
Hey, what's going on, brother? I'm a dasher.
DoorDash?
Yeah.
DoorDash. You can just pull up in the second window.
I'm a dasher, okay. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. I think that guy entered the door in his underwear. He's wilding. He's wilding right now this morning.
Bruh.
All right, fam, so I just took another order, $4. $4 and some change, Chick-fil-A for 4 miles. All right, fam, so we're at this delivery, and this order says, leave at my door, leave behind red Cadillac. What? Leave at your door and leave behind the car at the same time. Yeah. $9 for 9 miles. In the stores right here, so this is like actually 9 miles. This pickup was the weirdest pickup ever. I got the order. Oh. All right, so we just got another delivery. $3, Chick-fil-A, 3 miles. And now we're on our way back to Chick-fil-A. We got another order, $6 order, and I'm about to go pick this up and deliver this one. So hopefully this hour goes a little better. Yo, fam, this is the most brightest car I've ever seen in my life. Oh, I think he sees me filming his car. I think he thinks I'm weird. You need some help?
That's it. No.
Oh, you good? Okay.
I'm good. Thank
Okay,
you.
awesome.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you.
Did y'all see that line? Nah, we going inside. How you doing? I'm a dasher. Oh, they're not ready yet. I might bang out some push-ups or something.
Exercise anywhere.
DoorDash, let me see, what's the name? Yeah, let me see, let me check. Oh, this is pretty cool. I like that. Oh, that is cool, man. Uh-huh. And another one. This one is pretty good, actually. $6, 2 miles, I think it said. All right, so we got a crappy order. Habit burger. Pretty crappy, but we're gonna do it anyway because it beats sitting around for me. Just got another one. $4, 2 miles. Let's get it. Just got another one. A good one too. This is a good one. It's a tropical smoothie. I think 2 miles, $6. Easy, let's go. This is a good one. Oh,
just got another one. Bella Pizza, $5, 4 miles. I can't lie, my butt's numb, man. I don't drive this much with Instacart. My butt is numb. All right, so we just picked up, I almost fell just now. We just picked up the last order of the shift. Wingstop, $7 and some change for 5 miles. Let's get it. The gas is looking all right. The gas is about almost half a tank. Anyways, we just got a $8, 8 miles. Yo, this is the worst order I ever took in my life. Hands down, hands down. The worst order. Look, I gotta drive 26, oh, it went down. 24 minutes for $8. This is awesome. Hey, I'm doing an order right now where I gotta get alcohol at 7-Eleven. So, oh my goodness, I'm going through it today. I don't know if this is good or not. You guys tell me. I took a $17 and some change. I think it said $17.50. Double order, 11 miles. This is a road, but the road is blocked off, so I don't know, like I'm gonna have to get out and walk. Oh my gosh. Now it's saying they want me to hand them the order. But you know what? I wanna hand them the order because I wanna hear what they gotta say about this. It put me on that street and then it was like a thing.
Yeah, they're supposed to take those off in the next like month or so, but I don't know, like the maps.
Yeah.
Because like they've been there for like a year. I don't
That's
know why the
so
maps...
weird though, like in the middle of a neighborhood. Well, what? What? My customer want the order at the door. You want the order at the door? Fine. I'm pulling up to the door and you want the order. I'd pull up to the door right now. How you doing? Oh, you guys come out. Go ahead. You guys can come out. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I'm a dasher. I'm just door dashing. What's up? I'm a dasher. Okay, they think I'm crazy. They don't even want to look at me. Shout outs, help me out. Good looks, good looks. Oh, this is 7-1. Wrong house, wrong driveway. Oopsie. And we got another one, $5 and some change for like, I think it was like 3 miles. Let's get it. All right, team, run it up. I think we just came up on a half a tank, but these dinner orders are cranking out. I just got a $9 order for 4 miles away. Let's get it. We got a $4 for 2 miles. I think it was 2 miles. I'm a dasher. All right, we back again. Same spot, same spot. We just got a $5, 1 mile away. We like that. That's a good order. Hey, buddy, we back. I'm a dasher, we back. Just got an order for $4.50 for 0.9 miles away. Let's get it, Popeyes. How you doing? I'm a dasher. We back. What's up, y'all? What's going on, bro? Here you go. I think this is gonna be the last one of the night. We're here at Manhattan Pizza. We got a $11 order, 11 and some change. I think it was 11 and some change for 6 miles. I'm getting tired. All right, all right, all right. Day 2. Good morning. Just got another order, $6, McDonald's, okay? But I think it was the worst decision of my life again. I hope this goes fast because McDonald's sucks. The lines are always around the building. So I'm gonna preserve as much gas as possible. And honestly, the drive-thru does not help. But this is a Prius and I do have EV mode. So boom, we're in EV mode right now. Let's get it. No gas at all, we're using the battery.
Good morning, may I help you?
Yo, yeah, I'm a dasher, I'm a dasher.
It's in the front.
Huh?
In the front.
Oh, it's in the front, can I come in? Is the doors open?
Can you come inside the restaurant, please?
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning. We're back, Chick-fil-A. We're back. Woo! We got a 7 miles, $12, Bob Evans. How you doing? How you doing? I'm a dasher. I'm a dasher. Oh, the dash is over here. Okay. We are here, but it's a building. Hey. Dunkin' Donuts, we got a $3 delivery. Sucky. All right, team, run it up. I'm freaking out, man. I'm freaking out. We got 2 bars of gas left. Yeah, that's where we stand right now. Let's get it. We don't know. We don't know what's gonna happen. Like, I don't got no gas, DoorDash. I don't got no gas, DoorDash. Come on, DoorDash, I don't got no gas. Give me a daggone dash. Subway, we got another dash, yes. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I turned on Instacart. And as soon as I turned it on, unbelievable. As soon as I turned it on, we got a $61 batch. I mean, come on, you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Be real with me. I don't care if you're a dasher or not, be real. If you opened up Instacart while you were dashing and you seen a 61, would you do it? That's a rhetorical question. I know you would do it, because if you say no, you're a liar. You're a liar. All right, we made it. We made it. We at Arby's right now. We gotta go into Arby's. $9. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm a dasher. Yo, I'm driving eco mode. Look at all the cars just flying past me. They're just flying past me like this guy's obviously a grandpa. We just got an $11 3-mile order from Chipotle. We also only have 1 more block of gas left. All right, so they just gave me a $7.50 add-on for this 7-Eleven that's right here next to the drop. I couldn't reschedule until 2:30. It's 1:43, so I started looking at Instacart. We just swiped the 51 7 miles, 44 items. So you know I gotta do it. It is what it is. We got 1 bar of gas left. We are on our way to deliver this order. You see those bags in the back. But we're blinking, the gas is blinking. We're running out of gas. I see no gas stations. I've been stuck in traffic and my light's been blinking. Yo, this is stupid, yo. This is stupid, bro. I'm definitely about to run out of gas on the side of the road, yo.
Hello?
Bella.
Yeah.
Where are you?
At what?
Hey, I'm like a couple blocks away. I need you to get a gas tank for me to the house. Go to the house and grab the gas tank.
You ran out of gas?
I can feel it. Like I'm gonna run out of gas. And I don't wanna run out of gas like with all this traffic and cars. I don't want a cop pulling up on me, you know what I'm saying?
What happened?
My car's about to run out of gas. You got the pump? You got the pump?
Yeah.
Luckily, check this out. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Luckily for me, we got it in EV mode. I just didn't want to pull over there. There's too many people in the parking lot. So just give it to me here. And let's go, team, run it up. We are filling up right now. Let's get it. Let's get it. And this gas is what? $4.59. Does it say $4.59? $42 to fill up the freaking Prius. Also, another thing is I use the Get Upside app if I don't go to Costco. Guys, download it now more than ever. Go get the Get Upside app right now. You get like 50 cents per gallon back, 66 per gallon back. It varies gas station to gas station. If you don't have Get Upside, go get it. Link in the description. Can you still make money doing gigs? Heck yeah, you see what it is. Team run it up all day. Let's get it.